Imagine writing better code, fixing bugs faster, and shipping features in half the time without spending a single dollar. In 2026, the best free and freemium AI tools for developers are so powerful that many professionals use them daily instead of paid alternatives. Today on Logic Vise, I'm sharing the complete list of AI tools every developer needs right now. Stick with me till the end because I'll show you my personal developer stack in real workflows that save 10 to 15 hours every week. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Logic Vise, the channel that helps you work smarter with practical AI tools. I'm your channel name. In this in-depth video, we'll cover 18 powerful AI tools specifically for developers, from coding assistants and IDE agents to local models, prototyping tools, and automation. For every tool, you'll get what it does best, real developer use cases, honest free plan limits, pro tips, limitations, whether you're a student, junior developer, full stack engineer, or freelance coder. These tools will level up your productivity. Let's dive in. Tool 1. Cursor. Cursor is currently one of the strongest AI native code editors in 2026. It's built on VS Code, but with deep codebase awareness and multi-file editing. Best for writing new features, refactoring large codebases, and agentic coding. Real example, you can select multiple files and say, refactor this authentication. Flow to use JWT. Cursor edits everything consistently. Free plan, 2,000. Completions and limited premium requests per month. Enough for learning and small projects. Limitation, premium models have usage caps on free tier. Tool 2. GitHub Copilot. Still the most widely used AI coding assistant. Best for inline code completion inside VS Code, JetBrains, and Neovim. Pro tip, students and open source maintainers get the full Pro plan free. Free plan, 2,000 completions, plus 50 chat messages per month. Limitation, weaker at multi-file reasoning compared to Cursor. Tool 3. Claude. Anthropic. Claude remains exceptional for deep reasoning and code review. Best for explaining complex code, writing technical documentation, reviewing pull requests, and solving hard bugs. Real example, paste a large error stack plus relevant files in Claude. Walks you through the root cause and fix. Free plan. Very usable daily limits on Claude 3.5/4 Sonnet. Limitation, no direct IDE integration like Cursor or Copilot. Tool 4. ChatGPT. Still excellent for quick questions, architecture brainstorming, and generating boilerplate. Best for learning new languages, writing tests, and explaining concepts. Pro tip, use custom GPTs or projects for different tech stacks. Tool 5. Continue.dev. Completely free and open source AI assistant for VS Code and JetBrains. Best for privacy-focused developers who want full control. How it works, you bring your own API key or run local models via Ollama. Advantage, zero monthly fee, works offline with local models. Tool 6. Cline. One of the best free open source AI agents for VS Code. Best for autonomous multi-step tasks, creating files, editing code, running terminal commands. Real example, add a dark mode toggle to this React app and update all components. Cline plans and executes it. Tool 7. Aider. Terminal-based AI pair programmer. Best for developers who live in the terminal and love clean Git commits. How it saves time. It edits your repo and automatically creates reviewable commits. Tool 8. Windsurf. Codium. Strong free AI editor with Cascade Agent. Best for developers who want agentic features without paying immediately. Free plan. One of the most generous free tiers among AI editors. Tool 9. Ollama. Run powerful open source models completely offline on your own machine. Best for privacy, zero cost after setup, and unlimited usage. Pro tip, combine with Continue.dev or Cline for a fully local AI coding setup. Tool 10. Hugging Face. The central hub for open source AI models. Best for experimenting with models, using free inference APIs, and fine-tuning. Tool 11. V0 by Vercel. Generate clean React plus Tailwind components from text or screenshots. Best for front-end developers who need production-ready UI fast. Tool 12. Bolt.new. Full stack app generation with live preview and hosting. Best 4. Rapid prototyping and MVPs. Tool 13. Replit agent. Browser-based coding with AI that can build and deploy apps. Best 4. Students and developers who want zero setup. Tool 14. Perplexity. Best AI for technical research with real citations. Best 4. Finding documentation, comparing libraries, and staying updated. Tool 15. Claude plus Cursor combo. Use Claude for deep reasoning and Cursor for implementation. This combination is used by many senior developers in 2026. Tool 16. N8N. Open source workflow automation. Best 4. Automating deployments, notifications, and repetitive developer tasks. Self-hosted version is completely free and unlimited. Tool 17. DeepL. Extremely accurate translation for technical documentation and code comments. Tool 18. GitHub plus Copilot chat. Built-in AI chat inside GitHub for explaining PRs, generating issues, and reviewing code. My recommended developer stack. Daily coding, Cursor or Windsurf free, plus GitHub Copilot. Deep reasoning and review, Claude. Privacy/offline, Ollama plus Continue.dev. Prototyping, V0 plus Bolt.new. Automation, N8N. These tools together can realistically save 10 to 15 hours per week once you build the habits. These are the AI tools every developer should know and use in 2026. Start with 1 or 2, then expand your stack. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to Logic Vise, and turn on notifications so you never miss new AI tools and developer tutorials. Which tool are you going to try first? Or tell me what you want next. Cursor versus Copilot deep comparison. Full Claude code tutorial. Thank you for watching. Keep shipping great code, and I'll see you in the next video.